Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate NissanConnect Services for EV telemetry access step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a compatible Nissan electric vehicle and that it is powered on. Next, download and install the NissanConnect Services app from your App Store. Once installed, open the app and select the option to create an account. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. After entering your details, you will need to accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Next, check your email for a verification message from Nissan. Click on the verification link within the email to confirm your account. Now, return to the NissanConnect app and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the section for connecting your vehicle. Follow the prompts to enter your vehicle identification number, or VIN, which is typically found on your registration or on the dashboard. After entering your VIN, confirm the details displayed to ensure they match your vehicle. Next, you'll be directed to link your Nissan vehicle to your account. This step may require you to authenticate your vehicle using a provided code or via a secure Bluetooth connection. Once your vehicle is successfully linked, access the EV telemetry features within the app. Review the settings available to customize your EV-related notifications and data access. Finally, ensure your app permissions are properly set to allow for real-time telemetry data access. You have now successfully authenticated NissanConnect Services for EV telemetry access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.